Hello everyone, I colleagues to refresh my speech about smoking the campus area. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, peserta all, to the horrible lecturers, to the horrible staff dan attendants. Friends, let's express gratitude to that ability for giving us so many blessings to opportunity so that we can gather is happy room. On this self-regulation, allow me to devote short speech on the importance of maintaining health from increased smoke in the campus area, so that all of us can be aware of health is the campus area. The modern lifestyle makes to forget about health, which to a category of importance. One lifestyle that is recording breathing among standard is smoking. Because smoking is the campus area, have negative impacts to the surrounding standards. For some people, smoking is one of the most unknown condition that smoking can increase self-confidence. I contrast is they no smokes, they will be conscious and healthy and cool people you. Now, but many people want smoke now. The stranger smoking have it. However, the Armenian white her tone the best to it. There is production that although many countries and the things developing countries are facing the question then on the credits to protect the health of expression, the cannabis industry in a tablet in Indonesia. Although many laws and professions have been made source of the prohibition of smoking is public speaking on campus, there is many standards were do not stem have. Therefore, I could standards were covered health. Let's start with research to research. I left with those the greatest smoke. Happily, we will love ourselves more by starting to take care of the health. I apologize. I said air words. There are not apologies. The blessing to the head. That as I can say thank you. Hello to investors. Myself, my name is Andreas. I'm from Fakultika. I am from class 15 1C TG. Okay, I explain about the effect of frequency. What is the effect of frequency? Effect of frequency is what the price that applies how often the person does the activity. The prices that we will fit the effect of frequency accurately, weekly, often, daily, and so on. Definition of the effect of frequency. Effect of frequency is an effect as to show how often or action or event occurs. This effect of representation about the frequency or frequency of an activity. Whether it is done always, actually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Common example of effect of frequency occur always, actually, often, sometimes, and never. The effect of frequency help provide time context is instance, so that the listeners or reader can understand how often something occurs. Types, types of effect of frequency. There are two types of effect of frequency, namely A. Effect of the definitive frequency, B. Effect of infinite frequency. Effect of definitive frequency. The use of the effect of definitive frequency pays attention to the frequency of the event or event at a specific time. This time information must the explains when the events occurs. Process that include effect of the definitive frequency, namely hours, daily, weekly, monthly, every seconds times a year, once a minute, with which once than 3 times. Example tends to offer effort of definite frequency. A ferry. A ferry is an effort assured to show that a action is carried out regularly and with appreciation, and that can time intervals. The word effery is often associated combination with time institutes, such as day, week, month, year, and others. For example, I brush my teeth every morning means that intention of brushing your teeth done regularly. Every morning with you appreciate the word every so the other and the word morning sometimes. So B owns these the times. Owns tweets the three times H are effort of frequency used to indicate how many times an question is from Once means to refer simple. I go to the gym once a minute. I go to the gym once a week. Twice means twice or for example, this a year. I'm currently check the battery detector. Three times means three times. For example, I check my email 3 times a day. That's what are actually asked together with time units such as a day, a week, a month, adds or to provide more specific information about the number of times an action is performed and within a current time interval. See yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, and your hurry. Yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, and your hurry are frequency are best also to indicate certain time interval is year, month, week, day, and hour. Yearly means once a year. For example, I take a vacation yearly. Means I go on a vacation a year. Monthly means every month. For example, I pay my rents monthly. Means I pay Christmas month. Weekly means every week. For example, I go to class weekly. Means I go to class weekly every weeks. Daily means every day. For example, I exercise daily. Means I exercise every day. Hurry means every hour. For example, I check my handphone hurry. Means I check my handphone every hour. Effort of any indefinite frequency. Unlike the effort of frequency, separately the effort of indefinite frequency does not need to know the specific time. The time information equation is the estimation time or time range that often occurs. To determine the time or how often an effort occurs is the effort of the indefinite frequency. You can ask two following prospects. Okay. Example standards of effort of indefinite frequency. A. Hours. Hours is an effort of indefinite frequency. We saw that something happens all the time or continuously. Example of this. I always get up early. Juna always washes her F's before sleeping. B. Actually can be used to the Christian activity that occur most of the times or in most cases. Asking actually can help present more specific information about habits or activity that are irregular or do not always occur. Example of the stance. My family actually get together at New York Fair. danger. We actually go to the beach every weekend. See, often. Often is an effort of identity frequency which shows that something happens several times a week or month. Example of such: I often have lunch at home. He often teaches private class and school. The sometimes is a convert of identity frequency which show that if something happens irregularly or not always. Example of such: sometimes I sleep during the day. We sometimes go to the movie theater. A. Rarely is an effort of indeterminate frequency with indication that something happens very rarely or much never. Example of sentence: I rarely go to the office. She rarely does the books. Never is a effort of any frequency which show that something never happens. Example of sentence: I never admit. She never studied abroad. Effort of frequency formula. The effort is of frequency formula to implement this effort in testing is 1. Effort of frequency for verbal stances. Instance that have verb, the effort of frequency is present of before and main verb. Formula: subject plus effort of frequency plus verb. Example: she always at breakfast at 7 a.m. They often go to park and weekends. 2. Effort of frequency in nominal stances. Nominal stances are stances that used to be I, is, are, was, were. In these patterns, the effort of frequency is phrased after to be. To indicate the frequency of the condition of or state of the subject. Formula: subject plus to be plus effort of frequency. Example: he is always to time. They are actually happy to help. 3. Effort to frequency of emphasis. For emphasis, the effort to frequency can be placed at the beginning of the sentence before the subject to highlight how often the experiments and action. Formula: effort of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate subject plus verb plus predicate plus effort of frequency. Example of sentence: Alfie comes late to the office. Lara met her boyfriend once. 4. Effort of frequency in interrogative sentence. To make an interrogative sentence usually use how often, for which by the auxiliary verb do, does, did, subject, and main verb. Example of sentence: how often do you visit your grandparents? How often do you visit your grandparents? You can also use simple direct question. The formula: auxiliary verb plus subject plus effort of frequency plus verb plus predicate plus examples. Do you often come here? Effort of frequency with modal verb and auxiliary verbs. When using modal verbs, can, could, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verb have, as, is, hard, was, where, the effort to frequency is placed after the modal and auxiliary verb and before the main verb to show the frequency expression. Formula: subject plus modal verb plus after frequency plus main verb. Example of sentence: He came over with a solution to the problem. They have never been to Paris. Use like with modal verbs is the opposite of auxiliary verb. The effort of frequency is measured between the auxiliary verb and the main verb to show how often the action is performed. Formula: subject plus auxiliary verb plus observed frequency plus main verb. Example of sentence: I have never received to buy. She has always enjoyed reading books. Example of effort of frequency. Based on the previous expression, we can summarize that example of effort of frequency. I quote the word below. The definitive effort of frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, annually, hourly, once a week, this a month, 3 weeks a year, every day, every third day. Indefinite effort of frequency: always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, hardly, ever, never. Example sentence of effort of frequency. Definitive effort of frequency: I visit my grandparents weekly. She shake her away daily. They meet offers once a week. We go on vacation annually. They brush hours every hour. He exercises tens of months. We hold meetings 3 times a year. She calls with a mom every day. He waters plants every after day. I check my messages hourly. Example sentence of effort frequency. Indefinite effort of frequency. She always arrives on time. We actually have dinner at 7 p.m. They frequently travel abroad. I often go to the gym. I sometimes read before bed. We occasionally watch movies together. She rarely eats fast food. They rarely make mistakes. He hardly ever gets sick. I never skip breakfast. Okay, thank you.